The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. Many tremors have been occurring in the Los Angeles area, the highest being 7.3 on the Richter scale. These earthquakes are going to continue for the next few days. All residences of the Los Angeles area are under a voluntary evacuation order. If you are planning to evacuate, bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and battery or NOAA weather radio and cash. Tie a bright towel to your doorknob or mailbox to let authorities know you evacuated. Don't question any authorities. You'll be arrested. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Emergency Management and the United States Geological Survey. If you are receiving this message, do the following. Be as quiet as possible. Do not dig down. Do not turn on shower heads or faucets. Do not flush your toilet and do not enter your basement. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation and should be taken seriously. Tune to news outlets for more information on this event. Catastrophic danger for the city of Los Angeles. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey, the National Weather Service, the Los Angeles Police Department, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The state government has decided to tell what is going on. The event is what scientists call a sound base eruption. A sound base eruption is where lava or magma launch up from cracks or toilets and shower heads if a loud sound is to occur. Lava will come up through roadways, dirt, and cracks. Deaths have been reported. In addition, a storm has been reported to make a landfall within the city. This storm has been reported to be associated with lightning, which may produce a tornado. If this happens, an evacuation order may be put to place. The same requests will apply, like not making loud noises and not to dig down. Also not to turn on faucets or shower heads. Do not flush toilets and do not enter your basement. Remain to news outlets for more information on the dangerous situation. Catastrophic danger for the city of Los Angeles. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Los Angeles Police Department, the Californian government, and the United States Geological Survey. Due to the nature of the current situation, this activation of the emergency alert system will now silence for your safety.